Hello, my name is Erik and today I'll be showcasing you project vision control. So as you can see, since the last time we optimized it so it finally works perfectly fine on Windows. It can run now with no problem at 60 FPS and 1080p resolution or even higher. And we made a little UI so user can see what the camera is seeing. You can choose between different cameras. You can toggle, as you can see, hand detection or off or on. And we can toggle between light on, light mode off. Okay, let's go to examples. Let's go open File Explorer. Let's say I want to select a couple of things. I want to select these two things and I want to delete them. I selected them. I'm gonna do right click, click delete, but I'm not gonna do that right now since I need them for later. What I'm gonna do is, let's say I want to transfer this thing inside the algebra folder. I'm gonna do that like so. Let's go inside it, and as we can see, the image is right here. We want to remember it where it is, so let's say I want to take a screenshot. What I want to do is just do this gesture, and now the screenshot was taken. To prove it, we're gonna go under this folder screenshots and open this image. And as we can see, the image was taken of two screens. This is the screen you're currently seeing, and this is the screen, this is my second screen where OBS is turned on. Okay. Let's close this and let's open Brave. Okay, now the start menu, the Brave. And let's say I want to scroll down. I'm gonna do this gesture, go down, it's scrolling. I can do other way around and scroll up. I can again take screenshot. And let's say that this is too zoomed in for my taste. What I'm gonna do is hold my fist like this, go down, and it's gonna zoom out. Or I can do like this and zoom in. I'm gonna take one more screenshot, okay, go here. And as we can see, we have a couple screenshots that I don't need right now, so I selected them all. I'm gonna do right click and click delete. Okay, so yeah, this is, and we can also drag windows around and so on. We can scroll again, take screenshot because why not? And yeah, so yeah, this is the project vision control that was completely now optimized for Windows, and thank you for watching this video.